Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to use Windows subsystem for Linux. So it is very simple technique. With this technique we will type our C programs, C++ programs. We can type and we will see the outputs in as same as our Linux terminal how we are doing. In the same way in Windows also, in Windows operating system also we can do the same task. Now let us see how it is. Now for that we need to go to the control panel. Now there programs, click on the programs. There programs and features, click on this one. Then this one, this option, turn Windows features on or off, click on this one. If you click on this one you will find the message like this, like box. This window you will see. So it is Windows features. There drag on the corner last. Now here you will see Windows subsystem for Linux. Click on this checkbox. Then after that press on OK. Now search for required files. Now it is searching. It will take very few minutes only, hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So now Windows completed the requested changes. Now restart now. So this is a recommended one. Please do restart now. Now after that, after completion of the system restart, then you may go for Windows Store. In that Windows Store, just type Ubuntu. There you will find options Ubuntu or Ubuntu 22.043 LTS. You can choose any one only. Choose any one. And then I selected this one and then click on get. Then it is downloading. It will take very few minutes only. And after that it is asking click on open. So one option you can click on open here itself, or one more option is there. Then go to your Windows search bar. There type just Ubuntu. There also you can find. So this is what we downloaded, that app. There we are opening. Now after that it is showing a message called installing. This may take few minutes. So after that, so this is the version we actually downloaded, this version. Now after completion of this you have to do this one, sudo apt install vim. Okay, first you need to enter this command, and after that sudo apt install gcc. This is very important. So with this only we will see our C programs outputs. Sudo apt install gcc. And now here there is one option called Y. So it is asking, do you want to continue? You should enter capital Y. Then after that sudo apt install gdb for debugging purpose. This is also you have to do. There type Y, capital Y. With this steps we will it is completed the task. Very simple one. So after that these are the things you may know, I hope. So pwd, present working directory, you will see. And I forgot to inform one point here, that is after installing this it is asking your username. I given the username is Rama, and password and re-enter password. Please remember these passwords, very important. Later if you want to do any changes on the terminal, or if you want to install any updated useful things, if you want to install in this terminal, it must ask the password. So this password is very important. Please remember the password. So this is the sudo apt install vim for to open our editor window vi. So sudo apt install gcc and y. Sometimes while doing this also it may ask of the password. So after that sudo apt install gdb for debugging purpose. So after that our terminal it is ready. So all these are the commands I think you may know. Those are present working directory and mkdir creating one new directory. Cd means change that directory to basics, and after that opening one programs, and finally this is how home, this is the username we provided that our terminal, and basics is the one directory just now it is created. So this is how we need to use the Windows subsystem for Linux. Thank you.